At Winona, we genuinely care about supporting women through the challenging life stage of menopause. We're a team of people working to improve menopause care for women who want to take their health into their own hands. Our empowering, authentic approach is evident in everything we do. From our personalized treatment plans to our real patient stories, we're all about making menopause care easy and effective.
Being of service to a large group of people, large group of people being an entire gender called women, right? So how do you express gratitude for people who care deeply about women's health? So for me, it's all gratitude for caring, right? And being of service to women in a way that, one of us could affect change. It's sort of providing a much larger scale, a grander scale of care to a group of people who really need it.
I found Winona online. I was looking for I think hormone replacement therapy, something, because I felt like my hormones were off. I felt like something was weird, like all of a sudden my skin just changed and my anxiety and depression, my emotions were kind of through the roof, but I was like, I feel like it's hormonal. This makes sense. I'm 41 and I was like, I guess this is perimenopause, but no one was even talking to me about that. Like my doctors weren't.
Since starting at Winona, I have such a better understanding of women's health and the struggles that women go through just to take care of their health. And even though I'm quite a ways away from menopause, it's given me a better understanding of what women in my life are going through. It's made me more aware of the gaps in healthcare for women of all ages.
We understand how life-changing the right treatment plan and support system can be during menopause. Our mission is to provide a compassionate and empowering healthcare experience that helps women overcome obstacles, achieve their health goals, and live their best lives.
You don't have to go to your OBGYN anymore. You don't have to have these uncomfortable conversations with doctors that they only focus on reproductive health. I think that's one of the biggest gaps in women's healthcare. You come in with hot flashes and weight gain, and you just kind of feel like you're not heard from what it sounds like from these women. They often tell me that they feel like people gave up on them or they feel insane. And I just don't think it has to be like that. You should be able to find specialized doctors that know what they're talking about for this unique problem.
At Winona, we empower women to make the second half of life even better than the first. We're here to help you embrace the real you.